Just a quick test with the DT35. Part number I have is 1057651. Distance of this sensor, depending on the color, so 12 meters on white, 3.1 on black. A lot of different data you can look at here, but I've got it connected to Sophos engineering tool. So I'm actually getting the reading. Got it pointing at the wall right here. So it says I'm about 367 millimeters, and that's what I'm reading on the tape. So what we're going to do is just put a little dust on this. We've got different modes as far as response time. So if we're looking at, say, black target, something like that, then we can really dial that in to make it more reliable. And we can modify the process data if we want to. But for here, I'm just going to look at this line to see what kind of change we have in the data as I sprinkle some of the dust or the flour in front of it, and then I'll sprinkle some across the top. Now if the sensor is pointing directly up, eventually you start piling stuff on top of it, it's not going, it's going to block the signal. But anyway, just a quick test, putting dust in front of it. No flicker there, everything looks good. Then we'll start putting it on top of the sensor. No flickers, anything like that. Now if I turn the sensor like up and I start piling dust on it, just to get where something solid, eventually it's going to block enough of it that, there we go. Now we've dropped it off and you see how much is on there. So anyway, that's the DT35 and how it reacts to dust or flour in this instance.